excuse me, within the body of the if statement, set the inner text property of result equal to the string 0. Okay, how would we do that? Since inner text is a property, we should write result first and then interpolate the property, which in our case is the inner text, and then equal it to the string 0. So how would we do that? We do a double quote or single quote. Don't forget the semicolon. Then use earlier return statement to break out of the function early. So I reckon we just write break. It does not work. Why? Earlier return. Oh, we should not. We should not use break, but rather return. Oh no.